Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the camera is recognized in Device Manager and noting any driver warnings. Next, close all known apps that can use the camera, Teams, Zoom, Skype, and any browser tabs, then open Task Manager and end lingering camera processes. Once done, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and make sure camera access is enabled for the device and the specific apps you need. This prevents permission blocks and clarifies whether the issue is access or a stuck process. You should restart the camera frame server service to free locked device handles, open services. MSC, restart the service, and set it to automatic to avoid repeats. Then, in Device Manager, update the camera driver. If issues persist, roll back or uninstall the driver and reboot so Windows reinstalls it. Also, disable exclusivity by checking app-specific camera toggles and any allow apps to take exclusive control options. This prevents one app from monopolizing the device and explains. Finish by running the Windows Camera Troubleshooter to detect permission, driver, or resource conflicts. Follow its suggested fixes. If that fails, temporarily disable antivirus or privacy tools that can block camera access, then test the device. As a last verification, perform a clean boot or create a new user profile to see if a third-party app or profile setting causes the lock. If problems continue, note the error codes and contact support. However, one key tip: use clean boot to isolate the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.